Bernie.
Hi, Bernie. I'm Lexi.
How are you today?
I'm good.
Good. Okay, so we're gonna do a little Hollywood trick.
Okay.
So what we like to do is like stick the mic like right there. Okay. So what I need to do is usually put this like on your waistband or something like that.
Wherever you think is best. We can probably hide it right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Sure. Okey-dokey. So let's see, man, would you run this up? Yeah, and pull it. It actually come this way on the side. And then I'm gonna put a little piece of sticky stuff like a band-aid.
Okay.
Okay? You're not allergic to band-aids. That person's allergic to band-aids. Really?
That didn't go well.
No, and then I had to switch to medical tape too. No kidding. So this is what we do in Hollywood and other places. I don't work in Hollywood, but I have made movies, and this is how we do.
I know, right? I told her the pink is so on brand. Yeah. Oh, it's okay. You won't be the first man to try. Not the first, not the last.
Press that down so we don't go on either side. Yeah. Now we're okay. Okay. I think that's it. Okay. And let's see. Okay. And let's see. This is wire here. Hold on that side.
I feel like they say, hold your arms up.
Thank you, Miss Lexi.
You're welcome. All right, perfect. So the cart is right over here. This black one. Can you help? I know we already packed it up. Yeah, I use the people's car. Okay, there you go.
See you later, Cinderella.
All right.
She's mighty, mighty, just letting it all hang out 'cause she's a brick house. She's rocking it 1 pound at a time, rocking it 1 pound at a time, a brick house. Hashtag 1 pound at a time.
I love makeovers so much. You never know how much a little lipstick can change someone's life.
Y'all are not gonna believe this. Not in a million years. Do y'all see who's here?
Hi guys. Hello everyone. It's your boy Patrick Starrr.
Hey! Y'all are not gonna believe. I'm telling you. Do y'all see with y'all eyes who I'm saying? Oh my gosh.
Y'all are gonna have to stay tuned because guess who's getting a makeover from me?
Ooh.
This one.
Yes. Oh my gosh, y'all. I thought he was a statue when I walked in. And then I thought I was really going to Sephora, and I thought, like, oh, I'm getting a real special treatment. I'm going through the back door. You know, I wasn't paying attention to where we were driving at, not that I knew anyway. But it was just like, I was like, we're going through the back door. I said, because they probably don't want us to disturb the customers in the store and all of that. And lo and behold, oh my gosh.
It's real.
Yes, I had to pinch myself. And
I got my good earrings on today.
oh, y'all see? And I got my good necklace on today,
Okay.
too. And see, I took off my vest because we were matching earlier. But we're still matching because we blend. Y'all see that? Y'all just be in store for a surprise, 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 surprise.
It'll be up on my channel, you guys. Check it out.
It's going to be up on my channel. You guys, check it out. See you later.
See ya. Do you want to say anything? You can. It's your Hi guys, it's Patrick Starrr. We are doing a surprise makeover on Miss Boss Lady Lexi. You'll have to stay tuned to see the finished look later. This is for your vlog. How are you feeling?
Oh my gosh, I feel so special. I feel honored. Oh my God, it's no words. It's really no words to explain how I am feeling. It is awesome.
All I want to say is like, we got a third angle. Okay.
Ooh. Hey, my little bosses.
Hi.
How are you all?
Oh my gosh, so guys, we're doing a little makeover today with Patrick Starrr, and I'm gonna snatch your face, so you have to stay tuned, okay?
Okay.
Guys, that was great. We do one more.
Yeah.
Just from the ask, and then like I think you can even just say like, can someone give us a camera?
Okay, cool. So she'll start.
Yeah.
Okay. She's like, oh, can I vlog this? So you start, and whenever you're ready.
Can I vlog this?
Oh, can someone get her camera? Who has a camera? Yes, yes. Okay.
Hello, my little bosses.
Hi. We're doing a makeover, you guys. You have to stay tuned for the finished look.
Yes.
All right, vlogger queen. They better.
Sorry. Can you do just one line, something like about how her final look is top secret? You're not even letting her see it yet.
Okay, okay. From the top.
From right after she gets the camera.
And you want her to get the camera again?
No, she can have it already.
Okay. And what do you want me to say?
Just something along the lines of like this look is so top secret. I'm not even letting Boss Lady Lexi see herself yet.
All right. All right, y'all. This look is very top secret, so she can't even see herself yet. All right.
And this is the behind the scenes stuff.
All right,
that
the
y'all don't
behind
get
the
to see.
scenes. Okay. She knows what she's doing. I was so shook. Yeah?
Yeah, in fact, you can say like Des can grab this.
All right, Des, come on, grab this.
Bye, bosses.
Bye. Oh my God, girl, I'm gonna snatch your face and give you a smoky look today.
Oh, snatch it. Just snatch it.
Snatch it, yes. We're gonna use some gingerbread in there.
gosh, you could have sold me for 2 pennies, okay? 2 pennies. Because I was like, that is not a statue. It's moving. I was like, ooh, wow. Wow. And no wonder I didn't see the Sephora sign on the outside of the door. And it just didn't pay. I didn't recollect until I was just sitting here. And I was like, it's not like a kitchen over there. And it just never paid too much of it any mind. He was so humble.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Yeah, I am so excited. And I love your earrings.
Yes, they're huge.
They are so beautiful.
Thank you.
They are so beautiful.
Thank
Oh
you.
my gosh.
It'll be so fun.
I probably won't even sleep tonight. I will probably be up just reminiscing throughout the whole day. And this is how I am when I'm at home. I'm just, and they're like, Ma, you need to come down. You need to bring it down. Just come down. And I'll be like, no, we're going to set it off up in here. And they're like, yeah, you're going to be setting it off. And then you'll be like, oh, we have to go to the emergency room because you done did something. I'm like, no, I thought that Thanksgiving when y'all asked me to cook all that food, but I did it. I said, y'all better count y'all blessings. I like y'all. I said, maybe I might still love y'all, but for right now, don't ask for nothing for Christmas. I said, it's just going to be something basic, maybe like lasagna. And then Alexis, she has food allergies, so I'll have to cook something special for her, whatever she says. But for the oldest, we can do whatever. And then she was like, well, the baby's not going to be here. I was like, well, we're not taking the tree down until he comes. And all of his stuff will just stay under the tree. So I can't wait for him to come back. He's coming back on the 14th because he has a doctor's appointment on the 16th.
Can I get shoes, please? I'm so excited. I
Me
haven't
too.
done anyone's makeup in so long.
Just like yourselves in real person. Y'all look just like yourselves in real person.
We're just as beautiful in person.
Yes, even on the camera. Y'all just look flawless.
We were so nervous yesterday. We were like, oh my God, I hope she comes.
Well, I thought it was going to be a joke because the lady didn't call. I figured she was going to call and say dog cat hair. And I told my daughter, I said, yo, I think someone is trying to kidnap her. Kidnap me. Because, you know, in Maryland, that's all they're talking about is people kidnapping people and having locks on the door. So I said, well, I'm going to make sure that I look at the door to make sure that it's not on the child lock. And I told Shamira, you glad that you're here. I said, make sure you take a picture of the license plate because then I said, wait a minute, they don't want my fat ass. I said, they don't want me. I said, they don't want my organs or anything like that. So I said, no. So I called whoever this person was to see if this was.
You saw the email was from TwoFace.com.
Yeah, I even called the number that was at the bottom because I didn't think it was real. I Googled her name and everything because I wanted to see if this was
She thought she
real.
was going to get kidnapped.
Catfish.
No, kidnapped like.
Do you want us to wheel you?
Huh?
Do you want us to wheel you?
Oh no, come on.
Okay, perfect.
They're kidnapping people?
Yeah, in Maryland they're like kidnapping people, and that's what I thought this was. So I told my daughter, make sure you go get a picture of the license plate. To make sure, so if I become missing, you know, they know who to come after. And then I told her they don't know about that.
Not even. So what was your daughter's name that I know?
Shamira.
That was Shamira. So that's who I've been talking to. Oh, okay.
This will be right in just in this hour.
And then we don't want this, like while he's doing the makeup, right?
That's kind of roughly where we blocked it earlier.
Patrick, while you're doing the makeup,
I think we could take some footage for her if you want. Is this still recording?
she had like this.
Oh, it's recording. It's recording for form. Yeah, it's recording.
Is that good?
Yes.
Okay, great. We're rolling. All right, ready?
All right, boss lady Lexi, are you ready to see your look?
Yes.
All right, girl, this is a whole new woman. I love you so much.
Love you so
And-
much more.
And say hello to the new you.